Today I'm going to show you how to do the Spatchcock Chicken. We're going to do this on a Recteq 1250. I'm going to show you the entire process from start to finish. It's going to be an awesome cook. It's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. So as you can see right here, we've got about a 5.5 pound here, just a whole young chicken. Any chicken will do here. So we're going to just take it and open it up. So now I'm going to take it right here, I'm just going to flip it right over. So you're doing Spatchcock chicken, what you're going to do is find that backbone. We're going to cut that backbone out. So I'm going to come right here, so I'm going to start right here at the top and come down here to the tail. So now I'm going to take it. Now these are a pair of garden shears, but these are what I use for trimming chicken for competition and everything. I just like the garden shears because it kind of gives them a little more leverage and it seems to work. If it works, it works, right? Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it and I'm going to kind of break it a little bit. I'm going to leave it upside down this way. I'm just going to push it over a little bit. Push it down. So now I've got it flipped over. As you can see now here, we've got it laid down. What we've done is made this entire thing uniform. We don't have the big cavity in the hole no more, and therefore it's going to be cooking at different temperature. We've got everything pretty much uniform, so therefore it's going to cook at a much even temperature, and that's what we're looking for. Anytime we're doing this kind of cooking, we want something to be even. That's what we got. Anytime you're doing this, always remember, your first season is going to go on first. It's going to adhere to the meat first. It's going to adhere to the meat better than the second season. So doing that, keep in mind, that's the whole process we're going with this. So I'm going to put my first one in here now, which is my competition, but it's got a little more of the salts and the flavors I'm looking for. The honey was going to be more of a complimentary type rub than the competition one. So we got that. Now we're going to cross top of it with this. This is the honey one. It's a little bit thicker. That's the competition is a little bit more fine. This has got a little bit more coarse. So it's going to break down different while it's cooking. So I'm going to take it, grab it, flip it over. Now, this is presentation. So when I do my rubs this time, I don't want to touch it again. The other side is not really going to matter because it's going to be cooked and you're never going to see it. But this is my presentation style. So when I do my presentation here, we're going to kind of keep in mind what we're going to do. Some people take these and tuck them up under them and do all kind of cool things like that. There's 1,000 things you can do with this. Some people cut them off and just leave them hanging. We're going to take them right here. We got this rag. I'm going to just tuck them in the holes, kind of hold them like that. Just like that. So now we got it right here. Like we're going to start putting some seasoning on it. Again, same process. Competition rub first. This one here is going to kind of be a little bit more even across it. Now we'll come across the top of this. So as you can see right here, we just took our chicken here. It's been resting aside while we had the 1250 come up temperature. I want you to look at the color it's got right there. See all that color? All that rub kind of really just bite to the meat. It gives that really good cherry color we're looking for. Paprika, whatever you want to call it. It's got a really good color right now. So what we're going to do now is put it on the grill. Recteq 1250 is set at 300 degrees and it's up temperature. Let's get it on the grill. Let's get this party started. This is going to be fun. I'm gonna cook it about 15 minutes. I'm gonna start stripping. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for that color, that smoke in that, to work with that rub and be a good color to it. And my stripping will kind of keep that bark soft. The softer it is, the more golden it gets. The drier it gets, the more black it gets. Really good idea to keep in mind here. When you try to do something, you're gonna keep that bark moist. That gives you a better color. So we're gonna let this keep cooking. We'll be back in a few minutes. Give you an update. So stick around. We'll be right back. So I'm putting my sauce in there. So I'm using Recteq Gourmet BBQ sauce. So it's a very thin sauce. I'm gonna put it in just for some color. So now I'm gonna put this back on the smoker here and let it set the sauce. And we'll pull it off, we'll taste this down way up, and this will be delicious. So let's get back on the grill. So as you can see right here, we got our chicken taken off the smoker here. We got internal temperature. In the thighs was around 178, 180, which is what I'm looking for. And the breast was around 170, which I wanted to go probably 165, but we're still good with that. We've kind of let it here. We let it rest with some pictures for about 15 minutes and take it off the rack and put it on the plate right here. Now we're gonna slice this bad way up and see what it tastes like. I'm pretty excited about this. Now I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna take it, like I said, just find that little cartilage right there, and just go down the line. Now I'm gonna take my thigh right here, pull the drumstick off. Come right here and cut it. You just see the juice in there, man. Oh, that look good. You come right here, I'm gonna take this thigh right here. I'm just showing you different parts of this. You pull it back loose right there. You see how juicy this cake keeps everything. Everything is really nice and juicy. The flavor got down into the meat. That's good. That's really good. That rub pretty good flavor to it. Got that sweetness there with the tanginess of the sauce. Really good. Come on, you gotta work for it. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, Recteq will too. Let's say the blessing. Lord bless me back. See you next time. Appreciate you watching.